Freddy, who's never in any of my videos because he always has to go halfway through. So, yeah.
Hello guys.
Hi.
Hi.
Say hi, Freddy.
I just did.
Oh. Anyways, I'm on the new account.
Yep. And I've just been doing a little bit of offline grinding just to get a feel of the game. So
Yeah.
I don't have much stuff. My best thing is probably a rusty block.
Like in real life as well.
Yeah. Alright, what are we doing today then? What are we doing now?
Let me build a boat and you can come on here.
Okay.
No, can you be in this seat? Can you be in the black one? Can you be in the...
Yeah.
Wait, how do I get up? Wait, what?
No, isn't the black one with the one where you steer?
Yeah, the one I'm in. Okay. Launch. This is our boat. We're really good at this game as well. Freddy, why didn't you put your item? Oh my god, there's hackers in this server.
A lot of them as well.
Yeah. Oh my god. We're cooked.
No, no, I can get
Yeah. So, I've played on my main account a lot. I love this game. Yeah. Oh, speeding up. Apparently, that's what Freddy said. God, whenever you start over, I didn't realise you have this much items when you start again. Literally, I'm so bad at this game now. I'm a crippled old man. That's what I say instead of rude words. I just say crippled old man.
I don't know where I'm going.
Oh, we're in this area now. Oh my god, you're good at driving. I'm just here spinning around in my spinny chair, not minding anything, and you're on your iPad. Oh, bollocks. And you're like absolutely grinding. I'm just, ow! I just trapped my fingers between my chair and my table.
There we go. We've made it through the second level.
We're gonna die in this one, I'm telling you. Oh!
Yeah, we are. Unless I'm that goated.
But the thing is, you're not that goated, so.
Yeah.
Freddy, can you actually... Oh, we're gonna make it! The hacker's boat broke. It's not really a boat, it's just a... Okay, yeah, we're dying here.
Yeah, we're definitely dying there. I don't even know where I'm going.
We're gonna go backwards in a second. Can you place some stuff down? Because I just made a boat. Oh. Oh, dead. Fire! Okay, so now, with the coins we got, if we have enough, then we'll buy one. Oh, 32. Hey, yes, let's go.
Yeah, we have enough to buy something.
I got some chests.
We can buy a common crate. Alright.
I'm going to save up because I'm free away now, actually.
I think I might save up because I can, because of how much of grinding I've done, I can really get a legendary crate.
What?
I've been doing a lot of offline grinding, guys.
Guys, this guy is a cheater.
No, I'm not.
I don't know how much he's been grinding, but I got 2 uncommon and 2 common. Oh, God.
Actually, trust it, guys. Okay, so right, I'll start with my blocks. Okay, I would so.
Oh, do you have any balloons, Freddy? Do you have any balloons? Balloons?
Let's check. Let's check. Yes, I have 5 balloons.
Yes! I thought you said your best thing was a rusty brick.
I didn't know balloons were that good. I already have a save slot if we want to fly, Henry.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, I'm sure. Should I get it up then?
If you want to.
Alright, you might be a bit shook by this, but this is a very good save slot that worked. If you can fly, so.
Am I lagging?
Look at this. Alright, Henry, you can get it.
What? Where? Oh! Yeah, this guy's a cheater, first of all.
Oh wait, wrong seat. I'll drive. No.
Oh!
Get out. There we go. No.
Get out of here! Get out!
There we go. Alright, now we shall launch. What the heck?
No wonder your alt account's called Plum FC.
Alright guys, oh Henry, I'm just need to do something quickly. There we go, just do that. Right.
You have parachutes!
Yeah.
Guys, if you want to copy this boat design, is it good, Freddy? Is it a good boat? Or flying machine?
Actually, if you float, you can float above everything. So I would say it's very good.
No, go on the hackers! No, try and go to the hacker's base! Not this time, next time. Try and go to the hacker. Next time.
You just need to let it float for a second. If you guys want to copy this boat design...
It's really simple. You just... And it's a 2-person one as well. Or actually, you can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people.
Yeah,
No, and you can have people on the top as well.
Yep, it can fit about 5 people.
And you can expand it as well.
Yeah. You can make it a lot... Oh, shoot.
More like parachute. Oh my god.
Wow, so funny.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're floating back up again. I accidentally did something. That should not happen.
Everyone in the comments say silly Freddy. Everyone in the comments. If you actually comment, if you already made it this far, because no one watches our videos, I'm not even joking. Or these Roblox ones.
The Roblox ones, comment guys, comment what game we should do next.
If they can comment.
If it's an OG game.
No, let's just do any game.
Or you can comment any game, yeah. Just comment a game. Make sure you do that, okay?
Rivals! No, we should do rivals. We should save rivals for Finley.
Yeah. He'll just be too grindy.
Oh yeah. What the hell is this? Oh no, I'm gonna have a song, guys. I'm gonna try and have a song ready by this weekend. And me and my friends will be able to react to it and see if it's a good song or not.
Yeah,
I'll give you guys a little teaser. Let me just get my picture up of my lyrics on my phone.
No, shoot.
What happened?
It's fine, but when the music plays, just put shame on it because there's no release on that block.
Shame on you! Okay guys, my song, let me just find it. It's just taking a while. Oh my god, we might make it to the end!
Yeah, we might make it to the end. We've only got so far.
Okay guys.
We do.
Okay.
That's what we do, guys.
Okay, so the main line, the title of the song is going to be called "It's a Death Sentence in Disguise," and then the other line is going to be "Now I gotta run, now I gotta hide," and then the backing track will be like "One, one, hide," or "One, one, one, cry," and then the final line will be "Power's almost out for anim." No. Power's almost out for animatronics running about, and then there's also going to be another line. The lights go black, no I'm never getting out. Ooh! Is that a good song? Freddy?
Yes, it's a very good song.
Okay. Freddy? Whoa! We're making it to the end! No, this is brand new accounts, or not brand new. Because Freddy's been grinding for like an hour, like 10 hours.
Yeah, only for an hour, guys. Only for an hour.
Only an hour. All right, only an hour. Okay, so we drop now.
Now I pop the parachutes and now I drive around.
Ooh.
Drive around is not too
Should I say if you want to play with us, our usernames are?
No.
Oh. Well, I told them mine and Finley's username. Oh my god!
I do this for No, I went on the bit that kills you.
Did you die?
Yeah, I died. I went on the bit that kills you.
No!
What happens to me as well?
You're the one who built the boat. Wait, let me do this. Let me follow the wed. No, second try as well. You know, I don't care. I'm not following the wed line. What? It killed me! What? What the hell?
I'm gonna see what box like.
What? No! I didn't get anything. It just killed me, and I didn't get anything.
Sure.
Yes. Do that again. Do it again.
We'll do it again, okay. Wait, let me just see this one. What's it called? Mine.
No, let's ask if we can join the white person. I'll say I'm doing a YouTube video. Did you let me in? What? What was that?
It was nothing.
What was that? Did you guys see that? Did you guys see it?
No, they saw nothing.
Did it? This guy has been playing for more than an hour.
No, I've been playing for an hour and an hour only.
Are you sure about it? No, go into the white guy's base, remember? Go into the white team space.
Where?
There! Oh, yes! Okay. I'll say hi.
No. Why did it make me go on him? Henry, I died. You can stay there. Stay there. I'll just watch my boat.
Wait, is he in my age group? Is he in my age group? I'm recording a YT
There we go. Right, I'm ready to come.
Theo. Vid. Oh! Whoa. I'm getting tagged. Okay, I'm gonna say I'll go now. I'll go now. I'll go. Oh! Freddy! Well, I'm gonna die as well. Oh, never mind, I'm clutched. Wait, let me die. Okay, talkie. Load your boat again. No, load your other boat that you had.
No.
Why?
Fine, I'll do it. I'll load my other boat.
What the hell? You said your best thing was a rusty old.
Yeah.
Why is it incomplete? Oh no, the reason it's incomplete is because on my on my main account, which is now hacked, I built this with him.
Right, what should we do now then? What one should we do?
Dunno. Do your balloon one. Do your ballooned one.
What, you want to do my balloon one again?
Yeah.
Where?
No, Freddy, you naughty boy. You are naughty. You liar.
I literally just started playing, okay? What the hell? Honestly, we did this because we thought this would be another vid, right, Henry?
Yeah. Can you organise your boat? Can you do your boat properly? Oh, sorry.
Just don't touch anything.
Oh, sorry.
No, don't do a balloon, Henry. We need them all.
Oh, what about that one behind the black, the power sir! What? Sigma? It's a death sentence in disguise. Now I gotta hide. One, hide. One, cry. That's my new song, guys. It's gonna be epic. I'm not even joking, man. So today, I'll try and get it out today. But yeah, what we're gonna do, and then what I'm gonna do today is find out the lyrics that I'm doing for it, and then I'll record and stuff. Do you want to help me out, Freddie? Because you have a good singing voice, kind of. Not really, but I don't have a good singing voice. Yeah?
Should we do a live video? Tell us if we should do a live video.
No, I can't. It won't let me do a live video because my account's under 16.
Oh, what?
I'll try and change it so I'm over 16.
So guys, when we turn 16, if he still does his channel, we want to see 1K. We want to see 1K.
Of course I'm going to get to 1K. I might get to 1K tomorrow.
We don't even want to see 1K. We want to see 10K.
Okay, now you're pushing it.
We want to see 10K.
Now you're pushing it, Freddie. Now you're pushing it.
And we'll go live with that.
And we'll do a face reveal.
And we'll do a face reveal. Wait, do they not know our faces?
No. Well, actually, I try to hide them, but I do a really bad job. And also, in one video, one of my earliest animations, I accidentally sue my face.
And in our Minecraft vids, we see my face.
Yeah. Don't know about mine. Oh, you also could see our uniform as well. But there's no weirdos out there, is there now? Is there? Is there, Pablo? There isn't any weirdos out there. Is there, Pablo? Yes, I'm talking to you, Pablo, the one in his mum's basement eating Cheez-Its. Okay, let's go back to the video now.
No one better be trying to get us.
Oh, sorry. Those fat puffballs.
I know, I'm just too goated.
Are you sorry about it? If you're goated, what's happening right now?
Well, we're going backwards,
That looks like the Pokemon Center. But like, why are these? Oh, they're Pokemon, are they? They're fat Pokemon. They're Snorlax. They're water type Snorlax.
Wait, I just had to let go for a minute. I just needed to do something. And now I'm ready.
Are we going forward or backwards? Forward. Forward.
Forward is the way to go, bro.
Well, no crap.
Firehouses are going to stop me.
No crap, seller.
Guys, our next video together might be breaking too. We don't know yet.
Might be Field Trip Z. I prefer breaking though. Man. Matt!
Mate, I just parachuted.
Sorry, Freddy. Oh my god, can you see that guy? Literally, he just got... What? He's gone off of my screen. He was shooting up the leaderboard, that guy, and he went over my screen. He went out of my screen. Did you see that? Oh, he's coming back down. Okay, this time I'm just gonna...
That time.
This doesn't kill you, does it? I'm just gonna make some.
That does.
Well, last time it killed me. Oh my god, yes, see? 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 Not Kev, guys. Arrest this guy. Me! My go. What? We both died. What? What happened? Freddy! See?
I don't know.
That's what happened last time to me.
should we do this time then?
Try and go on the black. Try and go on the white boat. Try and go on the white boat.
On the what?
White.
The other boat?
Oh, not Kev. Try go on white or blue. White or blue.
I'm going on blue. Try go on blue.
Oh! Yes. Yes, I got added.
Yes!
See, this is the guy that was hacking. Hello.
Who said that?
Hello. I'm getting stuck in the boat. Bro. Are we supposed to get inside? I'll just assume we're supposed to get inside. Put some balloons on top.
Should I actually?
No.
Why not?
I'll put some trowels on the outside. Just in case we get stuck. Some trowels. You know those things in Roblox lobbies?
Yes?
Those things that you have to climb up.
Yes, I'll put them down as well. There we go, there we go.
I removed it. I removed the thing.
Alright, Henry, shall we place some trout at the back as well?
Dunno. Do you know me? I just dunno. Just dunno.
There's that.
What am I yapping about? What am I yapping about?
I think I might have like a couple more types of trout.
Do them on the ones we've done already because you can't actually fully get up that way. What is this Diddy blood doing on a calculator? Blood on the screen.
No, what's he doing?
Oh, what? Bro, no. No. I'm gonna follow you. I'm gonna bring you home. Guys, don't do that. This guy must be so annoyed. Okay, go in. Go. Build your own boat, Freddie.
No. I'm ready. Wait, I'm not ready yet. Don't do it.
Are you restoring it?
Yes. Are you helping or not?
No, I'm just annoying him. I think I'm annoying him.
Oh yes, this will be enough.
Oh, he restarted without me.
Alright, now let's get the back done. So So what we're gonna do? I do have a couple of doors, I think.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Guys, roast this guy in the comments. He's a hacker. Freddy, I'm just joking. No, this guy's he's annoying. I'm gonna say I'm a YouTuber. Well, no, I can't say that for some reason. I'll say I'm a YouTuber, you know.
Wait, Henry, did he make one for you?
No.
Did you make it?
Oh my god!
What?
Stop doing this, you know! Oh, he reset. Whoa. No, let's just let's fix this and then launch it, yeah?
Yeah.
Is that you placing stuff?
Yeah, that's me.
Guys, this video is just going to be us flapping about, trying to persuade this hacker to do something. Look into your eye. I see my whole life. Is that you who just placed that? That chair.
What?
Chair.
No.
What? Oh!
No!
Oh!
He rebuilt it!
Yes! Yes, he rebuilt it! He rebuilt it for us!
Did I help him finish it off then?
Do you have any red bricks? Oh, you ugly.
Does it matter if it's ugly or not?
Yes, it does. Remember the trowels. We need to do the trowels.
Yeah, I'll do them.
Take my double love me to my bones. Okay, I'm going to launch it now.
No, man. I still needed to place one block, but it doesn't matter.
Oh my god, that guy's flying!
Hey.
Did you not just see him flying?
You have it, guy.
You have a guy on our team. See? See, he's hacking. Oh, bro, let's just die. Let's just die. All of us just get out, die. You actually fell for that. You actually fell for that.
Yeah.
Nah, I'm just joking. I'm just joking. Let me jump out! Guys, if we just turn this video into a montage of us dying.
Henry, as soon as that's done, the build's going to be reset, so good luck with that.
Okay, I'm going to spam white. Oh my god. Where's that noise you're making?
I'm eating chocolate, bro.
What? What did I just do to that guy? Where's my seat? Launch it quick! Launch it!
No.
How? Oh, go on that one! Wait. Oh, I think I'm too fat. Oh! Oh, I haven't died yet, so I need to die. Are you eating your chocolate, Freddy? Are you eating your chocolate?
I've got a whole list about it.
You are pure weight bait. You're not pure weight bait. You're pure mate. Oh. Wait, how about you add them on all 4? Looky and all your hair. I see my whole life here. Oh, we can just use this one. No! No!
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? No, it's mine!
Stop deleting it, Henry.
No, it's my one! Stop, it's mine! How do you do it?
Alright, then I'll just leave you to it. I'll
How,
do this guy's one then.
how do I do it? How do I do it? You really annoyed him now. Wait, how do you do it? It's not working.
So I know how to make one of them.
How? How? Well, are you making your own one?
Yeah.
How? Wait, how do I get jelly?
Don't you even try to get on them.
Oh, sis. Oh, you need one of these.
You need one of what?
These. What?
Yeah, I know.
Wait, is this one yours? Which one is yours?
This one's mine, so get off.
How do I get it to work? I'm going to ask this guy to do it for me. Please do it for me.
There we go, me and the guy are ready.
Me. Please do it for me. It's no work.
Oh, Henry, I'll place the sand up for you.
Oh, thanks.
I just need to get the right angle to. Stay still.
Jesus, video's quite long. Wait, no. What? Freddy, man!
What?
You did it. Not on. You didn't do it. Wait, do it, and then I get stuck in it. Wait. How do you do it?
You need the sand blockers.
Sand blocking. I think it's jelly.
Move and then you get stuck in it.
Oh, so you need to do it. Do it then.
Okay. You need to get stuck in it yourself. So get on the thing. Get on the thing. And I'll tell you when, okay? 3, 2, 1. Go in it. There you go.
How do I get into it?
Well, I thought it just got you in.
No.
Do you not want yourself? Do you not know how to get them?
No.
Oh, never mind.
You launching it? No! You gay! You're so gay! Oh my freaking
Oh
god.
my god! No way! What is this? Ah!
Okay, I'm ending the video.
No, don't!
Too late. just do a video on my own instead.
What?
Bye.
What did I do?
I'm just joking. I'm still recording.
Okay, good. Oh my God, I know how to do it, Henry.
I'm gonna play gag instead. I'm gonna play gag.
Do you?
Yeah. Is that a nice way to end the video? Finding out some flipping hack?
Yeah. Alright, we're done, guys. We don't want to do any more because we don't really feel like it.
Yeah.
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 So,
Let's just do one more round with a boat. But we actually have to build a boat. We're not...
Well, I like this. This is just flying, Henry. This is perfect.
Yes! Oh!
No.
They let me into the white team!
Did they?
Yes! This is even better than the blue team.
Lucky. I'm just going to keep doing the boat.
It's infinite win! Oh, I got dropped out.
Tell them to let me join.
No! You abandoned me, I'll abandon you.
No, I made it. Oh my God, no way you can just slide on this. You can just keep sliding on this, right?
Yup. Forever and ever.
And it works, and you just get 3 wins.
Yup. What? Killed me. Killed me. Killing me. It's killing me. This is the best AFK grinder. Oh God!
No,
Guys, shout out to Goofy Vanos, not Mila Freddy Fazbear, he's gay. Malavameka, Ninja Legend 21, and me, Henry_50. Because I'm just so cool. I'm just that cool, man.
We're all just that cool.
No, Freddy isn't. Oh my God, that happened again. Like, sucked me out.
What, they chucked you out of the group?
No, it just glitches me through the barrier.
Oh, I know how to do this then. No, I don't want to get in. I don't want to be in this. It's just an infinite slide to death.
Oh, yeah, there's a hole in there.
I'm just going to keep dying and then I know what I'm going to do. So let's just move. Yes. No! Yes.
Oh, God. I dropped.
Now I know what to do. I'm gonna...
Oh, I dropped again. Love
I'm
me,
equipping
don't
my
my
balloon safe slot. I'm
bloom.
equipping my balloon safe slot.
Oh, yeah, like that's going to do anything, Freddy.
In fact, so I'm gonna clear it. It is, trust me.
No! It doesn't even go to it.
Henry, trust me. I'll launch my boat if you let me. Trust me, I'll let you launch my boat.
No, I don't want to go on that one. I want to go on this one.
Yeah, we can, but for the end, that's why I'm doing it.
Oh, yeah, that sounds a bit weird. No, it happened again.
There we go. No, I'll just get dry.
I don't know how to do this. I ask, but nah. Well, I'll just be annoying. They'll probably just kick me out, probably.
There we go. And now I'm gonna. Henry, can you press launch, please?
Don't feel like it. Oh my God! It happened again. It happened again. I did it for you.
Thank you.
Shush. You mean? You mean it? What? You broke it! Freddy, you broke! You broke it.
Well, no, they can't do anything about that.
Oh, fine, he didn't break it. No, everyone's in this. Everyone in the server's on this team except from one person.
Oh, is it the not Kev guy?
No, not Kev's. No. I'll say who did that. What? You have to walk on it now. Thanks a lot, Freddy. Thank you. You're the best. Yeah, it was. No. I'll say no. Who did that? No.
They can rebuild it. Henry, if you know hackers, then they'll be able to rebuild it.
Are they even I don't even think they're hackers. Yeah, guys, it's this guy. Let's do this one, and then we can go on different teams later. Oh, man. Big man T. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my goodie. Left me to my border. Yeah, Leela never played Leela along.
I'm just gonna...
No! I got disconnected from the server.
Mate, I'm still in the server.
Well, guys, how about I buy one, I save up for that thing. We buy one, and then we end the video there. Is that a good idea? I have a good idea for the thumbnail. We can have a boat, a picture of a boat, and then we can have it flip! There's too many people in the server. I can't get in. Tell someone to leave. Say, the person that just joined, leave.
Leave the server.
Someone. My friend disconnected and he can't get back in, and he was in the server before.
One.
How about you leave, Freddy?
Nah, okay.
Mean.
I think I've left too many times, Henry.
I'm reporting. You always do this, way. You're so arrogant. I'm joking.
You just joined. Someone there.
Oh!
Now can you read the
No, I need to get enough money to buy that crate first.
buy what crate?
For legendary.
Oh, yeah, guys, I'm gonna buy a legendary crate now. So I have enough money. Oh my god, you get 10 balloons!
Do you actually?
Yeah.
Guys, this guy is hacking!
You get 50 marble blocks, 50 steel blocks, 50 blue blocks,
Yes!
10 balloons, 4 cannons, 3 thingies, 2 of the sand blocks, 2 buttons, 1 switch, 1 king chest, 1 button, 1 door. Oh my god, no way! Guess what I just got?
Portal! Portal?
A thruster!
Oh, you're gay.
I need to see this, wait. I think I might have gotten a portal as well.
What? Who did that?
Yes! Yes!
What?
I'm flying because I had this other guy's build on.
Oh my god, you plum!
I didn't run
You,
it.
no wonder you go to me here.
No, no, no! How do you get out of this?
Join a different team if you're doing that. Yeah, Freddy, join a different team. Now this guy has to set up all his stuff again.
It wasn't even me.
Yeah, who said it was you?
I just died.
Loser.
I didn't get anything. No one even wants to do this stupid slide match anyway.
I do! And Goofy Vanos wants to.
Yeah, well, good luck to him, because it doesn't really work, does it?
You broke it in the first place. Because you wanted to do your balloon thing. You wanted to do your balloon thing. So yes, you did break it.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. Bubba T.
No, I didn't break
What
it.
is this wall here? Did it disappear or am I just lagging? Oh, that wall is very much there. Guys, sorry if this video is really bad. I'm just really hyped up for my song. Okay, now to get up the slide.
Yeah, but we can't do it. Lower the
Oh, wait! Oh, never mind. I'm stupid.
Wait, I have an idea actually.
Oh, it's moving! It's moving! It's moving! Oh, wait, this is what they do. They go up here, they push it up, and it lands on top of me. What? Look here, to my area. I see my whole life.
Let's see what else I got.
Hey,
Oh, I got lanterns, Henry. That's what
you have to pay to get portal. Yeah, you have to pay Robux to get portals, Freddy.
Yeah, you have to pay $2.50, don't you?
Yeah.
To be honest, I'm gonna go do the other guy's strat. I think it works better.
What?
The other guy's strategy.
Yeah, can you do one for me?
No, because you don't have the sand block.
You're so mean. You're honestly just so mean.
Well, I thought you don't have the sand block, is it?
My eyes is going crazy. My eyes is dying.
Yeah, exactly.
Come over portal. How do I lift? How do I lift it?
My eyes are going
Lift
crazy.
Goofy Vanos, help me out there, yes? Maybe help me out there, Goofy Vanos, yeah? Okay.
My eyes are going weird.
Samesies.
How do we even do this?
Oh, it's moving! He's done it! He's done it! The guy's done it. Okay. Work this time.
What the hell? Wait, turn it on.
No! I think don't press it. I think that's what resets it, Freddy. Oh, it's fixed, but it's upside down.
Yeah, it's very fixed.
Let's just walk for a few days. What? I am lagging so hard. You know, no one really watches this much in me. It's 40 minutes long. Let's take a break, Freddy.
Yeah, this is good enough. See you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. I'm lagging too much.